Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot quoting with quotes in the deal workflow step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot quoting with quotes in the deal workflow, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard and click on Deals in the top navigation bar. Select the specific deal where you want to enable quoting. On the Deals page, locate the Workflow option in the left sidebar. Click on Workflows to access the Workflow Management area. If you haven't created a workflow yet, select the option to create a new workflow. Choose the deal-based option to create a workflow focused on deals. Configure the trigger for your workflow, deciding what will initiate the quoting process. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus sign to insert a new step. Select Create a Quote from the action options presented. Fill in the necessary details for the quote, including pricing, terms, and recipient information. Once you have entered all the required information, save the quote settings. Continue to customize your workflow by adding any additional actions or conditions. Consider adding a follow-up email notification to the relevant team members. After finalizing your workflow, review all settings and actions to ensure accuracy. Click on the Review and Publish button to activate your workflow. Once published, your quoting process will be integrated into the deal workflow automatically. Monitor the workflow's performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.